If you are somebody that is thinking about making the move to Franklin, Tennessee, or if you own a home in Franklin, Tennessee, maybe you're thinking about selling your home and moving away from Franklin, Tennessee, then you are going to want to make sure that you stay for this entire video. I've noticed that a lot of real estate agents, myself included, will occasionally do a market update. And what you'll see is this pretty little graphic that we create on Canva, and it says Franklin, Tennessee, and it says all these numbers, and it has the median home price, and we'll say home prices are up X amount. And here's the thing. That's a number that we get that encompasses every single home and compares it to every single home last year. And I know from experience that different neighborhoods, different size homes, different price points, all sell differently and perform differently over time. So I started digging into the numbers and I'm like, oh my gosh, like blown away. There is a difference in what is happening in the real estate market here in Franklin, depending on the size home and the price point that you're looking at. So that's really what I want to show you guys today. So I'm gonna share my screen here and I'm just gonna go through some of these price points. And like I said, I think this is important if you're thinking about moving here or even selling your house, that you see this data and see the difference in this housing market. So I'm gonna start out right here, and we are talking about Franklin, Tennessee. And this first set of data that I'm gonna look at is gonna be for a 3-bedroom, 2,300 to 2,600 square foot home, 2-car garage, okay? And max 0.35 acres. I'm just trying to find some parameters or put some parameters in here so we can get some data points and see exactly what's happening. So these are the homes we're going to look at first. So let me move on here to this next set of data. And what we're going to look at is we're going to compare 2022 to 2023 year to date. This is year to date up until right now. So the number of closings that we're looking at is 53 and 56. It's interesting how when I break down or input all those different parameters, how we have a similar amount of sales. I was like, wow. So let's just start out with the median price for this size house. Back in 2022, we are looking at $740K. 2023, $826K. So I don't know what that percentage is. You guys do the math. That's a nice increase in this price point. Days on market, right here, let me just do this. Days on market, we're at 1 day in 2022, 33 days in 2023. So that first set of data right there, guys, you can see that a 3-bedroom home between 2,300 and 2,600 square feet has gone up in value nicely. I checked the data to make sure those houses were similar sizes, and they are very close. So good news if you are in that price point. So let's move to the next one. And this one here is once again going to be for Franklin, Tennessee. Just want to make sure everybody knows what I'm talking about here. And it's going to be for a 4-bedroom home. This is probably one of the more popular price points and sizes of homes that I'm about to share with you guys. Between 3,000 and 3,500 square feet. 2-car garage. I kept it at a 2-car garage because it can be tough to find a 3-car garage in this home size, and I wanted to make sure I had good data. Minimum of 3 bathrooms on this one. Bathrooms make a difference, guys, and I wanted to make sure these houses were all the same. Minimum of 3 bathrooms, and I also did the max of 0.35 acres. Okay, so let's look at those numbers. So we're going to compare, like I said before, 2022 and 2023. First thing we're going to look at is the number of closings. $50 in 2022 and 42 in 2023. Median price. This is the one everyone likes, right? Median price. We're looking at $895K in 2022 and $991,000 in 2023. Very nice. In this price point, in this home size, with those characteristics, up quite nicely. Days on market. Oops, I put the eraser on. There we go. Days on market. No surprise here, up significantly. And homes are just sitting a little bit longer. But still in that price range, between 3,000 and 3,500 square feet, if you're looking in Franklin, prices have gone up once again. If you're selling, good for you. If you're buying, not so good. All right, I've got 2 more price points here, and you guys will be surprised by these. I think. Maybe you won't. Hey, quick reminder, guys. My name is Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent right here in the Franklin, Tennessee area. If you're thinking about making the move here or selling your home here, head over to workwithmatt.com and schedule a quick 15-minute phone consultation with me, and we can discuss your options and see if I can help. All right, here we go. The next set of data that we're going to look at is in Franklin, once again. Okay. And this is going to be a 4 to 5 bedroom home between 4,000 and 4,500 square feet. Okay. 3+ baths, 3-car garage, and a max of 0.35 acres. Okay, so this is a bigger home. These are still popular. There's a lot of these in Franklin, and let's compare the numbers here. So 2022 to 2023. This is where things start getting a little interesting, in my opinion. Number of closings. We've got 32 and 35. Neck and neck. Median price. Okay. In 2022, 1.725. In 2023, 1.275. That's a pretty significant decrease. Now, I looked at the data and I'm like, am I missing something here? And I don't see anything that I'm missing. I've got all similar characteristics put in, and prices are down. It's just how it is. Days on market are actually similar. 2 days in 2022, 1 day in 2023. So from homes from 4,000 to 4,500 square feet with these characteristics put in, are actually down right now in Franklin, and quite significantly. So as we get into this higher price point, we're seeing things start to come down. And like I said, if I was to just tell you guys a blanket statement about how Franklin's doing compared to last year, I believe it says the median price is up 4.8%. But that's not true for this size home, is it? Prices are down. All right, one more, guys. This is cool. Wait till you see this, okay? Here we are now, and once again, we're in Franklin, okay? These are the big boys. 5+ beds, all right? 5,000 to 6,000 square feet. Okay. Oops, there we go. 3+ baths. 3-car garage. Okay. And then this, I did a max of 0.5 acres. Okay. So that's a big house on a nice size lot in a beautiful neighborhood in Franklin. I mean, that's one of the big boys. And let's see where we're at. 2022 versus 2023, right there. All right, number of closings. Not a ton of these. So we got 14 in 2022 and 13. Isn't it funny when I break these down how similar they are as far as number of closings? I don't know why. I think that's just interesting. All right, here we go. Median price. We're looking at 2022, 1.98. 2023, 1.68. Down, guys. These upper price point homes are actually down. Days on market, we're looking at 4 and 7. So there you have it. So guys, I'm just trying to make a point here that when you see somebody, when I say somebody, a real estate agent like myself, make a blanket statement about a real estate market, it's generally could be incorrect depending on what you're looking at for yourself. You can't make a generalized statement across the board about a certain real estate market. I could actually probably break these down even further and tighten up the square footage, tighten up the lot sizes, tighten up the areas of Franklin, tighten up the year that they're built. I mean, all of that changes, but as you guys can see, these are pretty tight, and the upper price points right now in Franklin are actually suffering pretty bad year to date, starting to come down. So if you're somebody looking in that higher price point in Franklin, Tennessee, and you have cash, you're in a pretty good position. You're getting a lot better deal than you did last year. Those lower price points up to, what did I say, maybe 4,000 square feet, 4,500 square feet, those prices are actually still up right now in Franklin, and we're still seeing demand. So we'll just kind of have to keep monitoring that and see how it goes. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit subscribe, give me a like, give me a comment, or the best thing you can do is schedule a call with me and buy a house with me. Please do that. That's my favorite thing. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Bye.